In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sound to your Figma prototype in just 5 minutes. This process is pretty straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be adding audio to enhance your design presentations. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into Figma. If you aren't already there, head over to figma.com. You'll see the login button prominently displayed on the home page. Click that and enter your details to access your workspace. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the home screen. Now from here, you'll want to navigate to the project you're working on. This is usually listed under the recent files or your team's files section if you're part of a collaborative team. Click on the specific file you want to add the audio to, and it will open in the Figma editor. Once your file is open, the next step is to locate the Actions tab. This is typically found in the top or right sidebar depending on your specific Figma layout. Give it a click and you'll open up a menu of options of what you can do in terms of interactivity and features within your project. Now to add audio, there's a nifty feature called the audio player that we need to access. In the Actions menu, use the search function and type in audio player. This will help you find the tool quickly if it's not easily visible. Selecting the audio player feature enables you to integrate sound files within your prototype effectively. At this point, you may need to prepare the sound files you wish to include if you haven't already. The format should be compatible with Figma, generally an MP3 or similar file type. Once you're ready with your audio files, you can attach them to specific elements in your design. This can be a button that plays a sound when clicked or background music that starts automatically during your prototype presentation. A few things to keep in mind: be mindful of the file size to keep your Figma document responsive, and make sure your audio enhances rather than distracts from your design. Sound can be powerful but should be used sparingly to improve user experience effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated sound into your Figma prototype, adding an auditory dimension that enhances your design's storytelling and user interaction potential. Now go ahead and experiment with different sounds and see how they can elevate the impact of your design presentations. Thank you for watching and happy designing.